Welcome to another video of the Culstorians. This YouTube channel goes through culture, history and geography of every places. This is 5th of October 2024 and we gonna visit the renowned vibrant train street of Hanoi. The train street, the iconic narrow residential alley with train tracks running directly through it. This part of Hanoi became world famous after 2010 because of the social media and travel vlogs. The sight of train passing inches from homes and people fascinated visitors. Day by day, more and more people are attracted to this open-air party hall located on the railway track. Locals recognize the economic and tourist potential of the street, started opening small cafes and shops along the tracks, offering tourists a chance to watch the train pass while enjoying drinks and snacks. These railway tracks considered as a legacy of French colonial rule and they were constructed in early 20th century. During the French colonial period, these were sparsely populated areas. Later became densely inhabited as Hanoi expanded, especially after the independence of Vietnam in 1954. A rapid urbanization led to land scarcity. Homes were built close to the tracks. The families living here developed a rhythm, carefully managing their daily activities to coincide with the train schedules. For decades, residents have cooked, cleaned, played, and socialized just feet away from passing trains. When trains approached, families living on the train street would clear the tracks, moving bikes, tables, and other items, and resume their activities once the train passed. The Bangkok's train streets offers a bustling market experience with trains passing through vendors, while Hanoi's train street is renowned for its narrow residential alley where trains pass just inches away from the cafes and homes. Safety became a pressing issue with the surge in tourism. Crowds of visitors often lingered dangerously close to the tracks, leading to near misses and increasing risk. Police and volunteers enforced stricter regulations to prevent overcrowding and ensure trains could pass without obstructions. This meter gauge rail tracks connects Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City and is one of the longest train routes in Vietnam. Despite these measures, Train Street remains a popular attraction, with visitors finding ways to explore the area while respecting the local rules. Thank you for watching the video. Temporarily say goodbye until next video comes.